Ready to finally watch all your favorite anime on Crunchyroll without using any data or buffering issues on your next flight? First, make sure you have a Crunchyroll premium subscription. Offline viewing is a premium feature, so you won't be able to download episodes without it. Next, open the Crunchyroll app and tap on the profile icon, usually located in the bottom right corner. Then, scroll down and select Settings. In the Settings menu, find the Offline Viewing option. Tap on that. Now, go back to the show you want to watch offline and find the episode you want to download. Look for the download icon. It usually looks like a downward arrow pointing to a line. Tap on that. The episode will now begin downloading. The download speed will depend on your internet connection. You can find your downloaded episode in the offline viewing section that we found earlier in the settings. And that's it. You can now watch your downloaded episodes without any internet connection. Enjoy your offline anime binge.